Welcome back to MV Classes.
Here we have a flowchart. Figure 4 shows an algorithm presented as a flowchart. Complete the trace table for the algorithm in Figure 4. You may not need to use all rows in the table. So all we're going to do is follow it step by step. A is 0. We can see in the box B is equal to 1. Follow the flowchart down. C is equal to A plus B, which makes C 1. Following it down, is C greater than 4? No, it's not. So we're going to take the no arrow. So A now becomes what's stored in B, and B now becomes what's stored in C. So now that we've gone back round, you can see C is equal to A plus B. So A plus B, that now makes C 2. We go to the decision. Is C greater than 4? No. We go back round. A becomes what is stored in B, and B becomes what is stored in C. We follow the arrow back round. C is equal to A plus B, which is 3. Go to the decision symbol again. Is C greater than 4? No. A becomes B and B becomes C. So 2 and 3. C equals A plus B, which is 5. Is C greater than 4? Yes, it is now because it's 5. And the flowchart stops.